Good afternoon, Justin here with the Avant-Garde collection. I thought I would take a minute and do a walk-around video with our 1966 Mustang coupe that we have on Bring It Trailer, ending on Monday. This is a gorgeous restored car that was sold also on Bring It Trailer more than a few years ago, and the owner has since taken it to this level, which we believe is about the nicest one that we've seen. Gorgeous car in Wimbledon White. It's a factory color for this car, also with the red interior. He also upgraded the motor from a 289, which was factory in this car with an automatic, to a 302 roller motor. And all you gearheads can read all about that in the write-up in the auction. This video is more just to showcase the car in real-life situation without a studio lighting and whatnot, but just as pretty as can be. Nothing was overlooked in this car. Every single nook and cranny. When I look at a restored car, I like to look deep into these cars to see that everything was thought of, and with this car it certainly was. Nothing was overlooked, from the steering wheel to the gorgeous headliner to the chrome, to the seat belts. Everything is right and correct. How softly the windows go down. This is just as easy as can be. They don't get hung up. They don't twist around in their slots. They just ride perfectly, and they seal perfectly too. Check this out. The wheels are gorgeous. All the glass is perfect. Chrome is perfect, as I mentioned. Exhaust back here. And the list doesn't end. We can't find a flaw. So maybe some of you experts can, but we're still having the wow factor on this one. And there you go, guys. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask in our comments. This is a no reserve auction, and it will be selling on Monday to the final bidder. Thanks, guys. Happy bidding.